How you doing?
I'm great. How are you?
Before the train isn't moving?
Yeah, how's that?
That's pretty cool.
Do I go up or down?
You're gonna go on your left-hand side. There's gonna be a staircase that'll lead you straight into your guys' dome. There's a seat number and letter below the window seals on the sides of your seats.
Thank you.
You're a slippery.
Howdy. Thank you.
You can only go up. There's the bathroom.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome aboard the Alaska Railroad
Howdy.
Coastal Classic. As you're up and finding your seats, the seat numbers are located underneath your window.
We are not
So keep that in mind. Seats A and B are on the left side. Seats C and D are on the right. That's in the train's direction of travel.
Out of the floor, yes. On the planes, as usual, where you end up being.
We do